I am the chair of the Middle Mile Working Group here at the Fiber Broadband Association. Today, Fiber Broadband Association is releasing a white paper that looks at middle mile in America, specifically rural America. There are some shocking revelations. One of them is that we continue building last mile based off data of bandwidth requirement from 10, 15 years ago, whereas today 100 Mbps symmetric is required in almost all households. We continue building last mile based off data from 10 years ago. So the moral that we have gotten back from that white paper is that a lot of new middle mile deployment in America is needed, specifically in rural areas. It relates to affordability because if you do not have cheap backhaul to connect the last mile connections, then you're not going to have affordable internet for the rural masses. Middle mile is any network that connects two separate networks together. So it could be something that connects Dallas and Atlanta together, and that's a middle mile network. It could also be a simple single fiber optic cable that is connecting a rack that belongs to AT&T to a rack that belongs to Cogent, and that one single fiber optic cable in that one data center is middle mile. So any network that connects two distinct networks together is middle mile. So why is middle mile important? Without middle mile, you cannot have fast last mile connections. Think of last mile as the roads that are within a town, and you can have these big, beautiful roads in these towns, but then think of the middle mile network as the interstates and the highways that connect these towns together. Unless you can connect these towns together, each and every town then stays as an island and cannot have the capacity that they would need to grow when it comes to their internet needs. So what's next? Download our white paper, look at it, talk to your legislators, tell them how middle mile is important for your community, ask them to allocate money from BEAD towards middle mile program, ask them to fund the middle mile program that NTIA has with more money so that more middle mile can be built in America.